This video is to show you how to remove the cover to access the battery for a Mercedes Benz key fob. There's different versions of it out there, but the one I have here is particularly it's for 2016 GLC300. So you can see the key is actually stored inside the fob here. If you slide this black button to one side, you can remove the key out of its slot, and you can use this as a tool to pop the cover here. The location, it's not in the center but slightly to the left. You can tell when you move the key it actually sinks a little bit further in the groove, and from this point on just press on it and it might come off quite easily. I'm sure some of the key might not have the same kind of reaction. You're gonna have to work at it. Just show you once more. This is where you the key resides, right there. Press on it and pop it goes, and that's how you remove the key, sorry, the cover for the battery for Mercedes Benz key fob.